Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing some crafting with embroidery hoops. This is just a few of the collection that we have everywhere around the house. And my husband had picked these up for me after Christmas on a clearance sale. So I'm going to see what I can do with them. Stick around and you'll see too. I started with one of the larger hoops. I took my scissors and cut some long pieces of yarn because I want this to look kind of like a boho dream catcher. And I started out with 5 strings draped over the embroidery hoop, and just to test to see how thick it would be. And by that I decided I need at least 10 more. So I cut them with my blanket yarn, and I didn't even try to get them even at the end. That's not the look I was going for. I kind of wanted it to be staggered. So, you know how an embroidery hoop works. It's in 2 pieces. These are going on the inside piece after I've taken away the outer ring. I hope that makes sense to those that don't understand embroidery hoops. Then I just laid the doily down on top of that inner ring, got it into position, put the outer ring back on, and tightened it just a little bit so I could flip it over and make sure that I had it evenly distributed around the hoop. You'll see that in just a minute. See how I just pulled and tightened and then tightened up the ring so nothing moves around. Now at this point I could have just left it alone. I really liked how it looked, but I thought it needed just a little something else. So I ran and grabbed a sprig of eucalyptus. And that was too much to put the whole bunch on there. Yeah, that was just way too much. So I cut a sprig. Nah, not quite. Got another sprig. Better. Me. Why don't I just try what's left on the bunch? Yep, that'll work. Just put a little bit of glue around the rim of the embroidery hoop and stuck it down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then I decided to just go ahead and add a couple of cotton bolls too. There's the other one. And here's how that looks. Now tell me in the comments, would you have added the eucalyptus and cotton bolls, or would you have left one or the other out? Or do you like it like it is? I like it pretty good. I think it's a nice wintry, boho, dream catchery decor piece. Now for the second one. If you blink, you're going to miss it. This was an embroidery hoop that was solid on the back. I'm not sure. I'd never seen one like that before. But I just laid the red doily on top of it, put the outer ring back on, and it was done. That quick. Couldn't decide if I wanted to leave the lace out or tuck it under and tape it. I don't know, but I ended up leaving the lace out. Now with this one, you can tell that it's a poinsettia flower on it. So I might go back in and put a heart in the center of it, just with my Cricut iron-on vinyl. And there they are, both of them hanging together. If I go in with the heart on that in the center, they'd actually go in my gallery wall of valentine things. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate you taking a part of your day to spend it with my channel.